All right. All right. Can you guys see me? Can you see me?
Yes.
All right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are plugged in from. My name is Mrs. Chema Okezwe, aka Madam Financially Fit, and I'm here to just do a little bit of market recap for the week to come. So, the first thing we're looking at today is the DXY, which is the dollar index. Now, we can see that the dollar index has formed a teacup, a teacup pattern. This is a teacup pattern with a handle. I'm just going to be showing you guys how we trade the teacup and what is expected of the DXY today or next week. Next week. All right. So we have the teacup and handle. If you can see the handle going down like this. All right. This is the handle. Now, when you see this, what you're waiting for is the break of the top of the teacup to get in. But if you want to get in early, all you need to do is come down a lower time frame. I'm just using this to teach you how we trade, a lower time frame, how we trade the teacup strategy, right? The teacup strategy. So it's still showing. Now, this looks like a consolidation going on, right? This looks like a consolidation going on. But when you drop to a lower time frame, let's use this part. You can see, you can see what? A downward movement, a pullback, and a downward movement out here. Now, as a reversal trader, what are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? We're waiting for a break of structure, which is exactly what happened. So look at that, right? So this is our movement. So before you enter, you have to know what the US dollar is doing. Now, market is going to be open around 11 p.m. tonight. Then we start again for the week. So this is the downward movement. This is the pullback, and it pushed the market lower, right? This is like an extended W going on here. True or false? You
True.
can see, yes. So using this extended W, there's already a break of neckline. So knowing when to enter the market, this is what I will be waiting for. I put my Fibonacci and draw it down here. And this is where I'll be waiting to enter the market, around here or here. True or false? This is our entry point around here, right? So we're expecting that, okay, before it keeps going up, US dollar will come down here before it makes its move to the higher level. All right. But for now, we know that we should be careful with anything that has to do with the US dollar. So for now, the market has passed us. Now, what are we waiting for? Okay, it has passed us. So this is the next move we're waiting for it to come down here, and we take the market in for a buy. So if it is going to go in for a buy, every other thing that has US dollar as a base will be selling. Every other thing that has USD as the base currency will be selling. Everything that has it as a quote currency, like USD JPY, USD Canada, Canadian dollar, USD GBP. I mean, do we have USD GBP? No, we have GBP USD. We don't have USD GBP. Anything that starts with the USD is where the USD is the quote currency. So if it's going up on the DXY, it's going to be going up if the USD is the quote currency. All right. So this is the next move. We expect it to come down a little bit more, meaning, okay, so those that are buying BTC right now, they're making a good move, because we expect that the US dollar, the DXY will come down. So BTC will what? What will happen to BTC? What will happen to BTC? Let me see if you understand.
This will go down.
Oh, good, beautiful. Oh, welcome. Good to have you. Okay, all you need to do is join the audio on your WhatsApp because
Thank
every
you
other.
for having me. Good
You
evening.
can hear me, beautiful. You can hear me now. Great, good to have you. So happy to have you.
Yes, I can.
Yesterday Nene joined us. Right. I'm so happy to have you here. Great.
That's nice.
Okay, so we are looking at market recap for the week. Now, it is very, very, very good for us to look at what the dollar is doing. Yes, so Mr. Kenneth, you got it right. If that is why I didn't enter that BTC trade, because from my analysis here, BTC should start selling any moment from now because we're expecting the US dollar to come down to where it will shoot up again. All right. This is what they call the teacup pattern. You can see a teacup with a handle. So you can go and do your research, but I'm already teaching you how to trade it. So when you see something like this, you know there's a bullish pattern coming up real soon. And then this is where we enter the market. But if you want to enter the market early, all you need to do is drop down to a lower time frame because we are looking at it on the 4-hour time frame before. All you need to do is drop down to a lower time frame and see how to enter the market real early with the strategy that we'll be using. So we dropped down to the lower time frame. We looked for we cited a W, an extended W, which is here. We cited an extended W. If you look at my YouTube channel, I really, really explained this thing. Yeah, so if in case you don't understand it, so this is what you are waiting for. And then the market to come down here, pick up and move up. And once the USD moves up, BTC USD will come down. ETH USD will come down. Okay. XRP USD will come down. XAU USD will come down. AUD USD will come down. USD JPY will go up. USD CAD will go up. USD anything, starting with USD will follow suit as far as USD is the quote currency. If USD is the base currency, it will sell because the USD is stronger. So it will draw it down. Okay. So that is what I expect. So that is why that BTC is shaking, because you shouldn't be buying right now unless you are sure that what unless you are sure. Where do you think we should start buying? Where do you think that we should start buying? If the BTC, oh, okay, if the BTC is stronger than the USD, that if the USD is selling, sorry guys,
it's selling, yes.
Yes, if the USD is selling, BTC should be buying. You understand? If the USD is going down like this, it means USD is losing strength, right? So BTC will be buying. But nothing will happen now because the dollar index is not moving yet. You can see it's static. That is why your BTC is shaking. It's not going back, it's not going forward. Because the BTC,
sorry, coach, can we trade this dollar index?
I've never really tried it, but I hear people saying they can trade it. Check if you have it on your Xness. If you have it on your Xness, then why not? Because I mean, we have other indices. So why not? If we have the dollar index, I think we can. Let me check it. I've never tried it, to be honest, in my 1 year of trading. I just use it to analyze. I've never tried selling it or buying it. So can you see? Look for if you can see it in your Xness. All right.
Okay.
And also, or your MT5. Your MT5. Can you see it on your Xness broker MT5? I'm looking as well. Yes, it's there. People trade it. DXY. Yeah, people
Yes,
trade it.
is there too.
So you see that beautiful. I mean, why will I even bother when you see this, you know what to do. We come down to a lower time frame, know how to enter the market earlier. But if it breaks this major resistance right here, right? If it breaks this major resistance right here, let me shift back to the 4 hours so we can see, we can erase all the noise. If we break this resistance here, the major resistance of the teacup, right? This is the move we're waiting for. And how do I know that the market will get to this place? There's something called the projected, or more like a measured move. A measured move. Now, how do we get the measured move? From the bottom of the teacup to the bottom of the handle. Measure it and take this same measurement and place from the top of the teacup. There you know where your next destination is. It's called the measured move, right? It's called the measured move. You use this move in even the bullish flag patterns that are continuous. Patterns like this, like the bullish flag, the bearish flag, we use measured moves, right? So the pole of the flag is usually almost equal. So we always use it to measure our TP, right? To measure our TP. And of course, if I take the buy from here and I know it's going up here, my stop loss will be a little bit below this wick right here. Let me delete this so that we can see. There's a wick right here. So I'm just going to put a stop loss here, right? A stop loss here in case the market goes against me, just below the last wick that was formed here. All right. So this would be my stop loss. This would be my take profit after the break of this place. But this one that we figured out on the 1 hour, where we saw a W, my take profit will be here, will be this place, the first resistance. So the only time I can enter above this resistance is when there is a break of this resistance, a close, and I take the market up and get to my take profits. All right, get to my take profits, and then I'm out of the market. If you don't even want to wait this long, you can just take your 20 to 30 pips and then leave the market and leverage properly. All right. Is it clear? This is how to trade a teacup strategy, a teacup pattern. Is it clear? If it's not clear, please ask me questions. Please
How
ask
do you
me.
draw this teacup?
All right. I'm going to show you how I drew it. All right. So I'm just going to clear everything. So there is a place here where you see, yeah, I think it's this one. Do you see this one called the arc?
Yes.
You've seen it, right?
Yes.
Where did I get it from? I got it from this one here. That's the fourth icon. All right, see it. So I pick it, and I pick the arc. I pick the arc. Then I hold it from that week to the next, and I pull it down. There you go. So I pulled it down. This directed me to the bottom of this one.
Okay.
Right? So did you see how I drew that?
Yes.
And then if I want to do the handle, I usually use the parallel channel. Yeah. Make it touch 2 or 3 points and drag it down there. All right. So can you see a complete teacup now?
Okay.
So that is how to draw your teacup. Now the highest point is here. We use the teacup handle. The highest point is right here, and the lowest point is right here. So we don't ignore the wick, right? Now the measured move. What did I tell you about the measured move? I told you that with the measured move, to know how far this teacup pattern will take us is, remember what we're waiting for is for this to happen. Then we know that the pattern is going to work. Is when the move starts is when it breaks above this high resistance, right? So this is what we know that will happen. This is what we believe will happen: a break, a retest, and boom with the DXY, right? So if this is what we believe will happen, how do we know to take our TP? It's called a measured move. I'm repeating it. So we pick how do you measure the move? You pick your trend line from the handle to the bottom of the teacup, which is around here. All right, can take here, that's fine. Take it like that and put it here. Then we know where we're taking our TP. So we're taking our TP around here. 112.182 around here. Yeah. So that is our around here. 112.182. That is where we expect TP, but I wouldn't even bother waiting for it to reach here. I can take it here and I'm fine. So that is how to trade the teacup pattern. That's how to trade the teacup pattern. I discovered it on the DXY, and I knew that we have to be very careful with any, and I don't even want to have anything to do with anything that has to do with the USD. That is why I said, let us do market recap on Euro CAD, Euro GBP, and let's do a market recap on gold with DXY in mind, all right, with DXY in mind, because you know, XAU USD. USD is the what? What currency is the USD? Is it the base or the quote currency in XAU USD?
The base currency.
It's the base currency. Good. So if the DXY is going up, if the strength of the DXY is pushing higher, what will happen to gold?
Sell.
Gold will be selling.
Bearish, yes.
Yes, gold will be bearish. That's it. But if the DXY is going down, gold will be
bullish.
Beautiful. That's just so let's look at gold. Let's look at gold, XAU USD. Oh, I think I already have it here. I have it in my abnormals. Oh wow, I already plotted it, so I'm just going to remove it, so start again. This is an upside down cup. Oh my God, why am I seeing something here? So are you seeing what I'm seeing, guys?
Yes, I see. That's a teacup.
Thank you. There's an opposite, exactly opposite move.
Opposite.
Happening with the DXY. That is how you know that the market doesn't like. So you see, what was the US DXY doing? The DXY gave us a real teacup, a normal teacup, a simple teacup. But this one is giving us an inverted teacup. So what do we expect gold to be doing? Selling.
Selling.
Expect gold to be selling, right? But anyways, let's look. Now on the 4 hour, you know I don't like to do anything. I prefer swing trading jejely. All that scalper thing, they give me heart attack. So now look at the M we are seeing here. It even validates ourselves, right? The gold seems to be moving faster than the DXY itself, because the handle of the DXY has not formed like this. It's still one straight something. Eh? So look at this. It seems to be going faster. So we want the end. Now we are using our magical fibs. You go and pick magical fibs and draw from here to here. And remember, we draw from the neckline of the M. Let me bring out the M for people that are not seeing it. So this is the M. Can you see the M? Can you see the M? So we have
yes,
our M. So now we draw our M We draw our fib, from the neckline of the M to the second leg of the M. Second leg of the M. All right. Always make sure it's on the candle chart. Now, what are we expecting? We're expecting, it's like the move already started. So we expect the market to, of course, it's already breaking the neckline. We're expecting to come back here and give us our sell down. All right, and give us our sell down. Now, there's a reason I told you to go and watch. There's another fib that I use to know my take profits and stop loss. It's still Coach Oran's fib. He gave it to us. So let me see if I can find it. Yeah. All right. So he advises us to take profits at where there is a red line. Let me show you. Please take a screenshot. Oh, I'm putting this on YouTube. So I'll show you guys the screenshot, the settings of this fib. All right. I will show you guys the settings of this fib. But this is where we expect it to hit. All right. And take profits here using the fib. All right. I'll show you guys. If you can even see it on the side itself, you can even make your own. Right. So this is the magic fib. So this is where we'll take profits. So I will still send it to the group, but at least I've marked it out. I'll still send the trade idea to the group when market starts. But when it breaks, then I will know. When market gets here, it will alert me. So I'm just gonna set my alarm here. Let me just grab my horizontal ray, place it here. In fact, I prefer to put it on this first line because it might not come up. I like to put it there. So if I enter here, it's no problem. If it comes up here, I enter again with a higher lot size than here. All right, so that it can, when it starts counting, it will clear my debts for here. So I'm going to set an alarm crossing up, right? I just want it to immediately it touches for it to alert me. And then I know that I'm going to be taking a sharp sell right there. So by now, I should have created my sell limits by looking here. So you can go in and put a sell limit for 1747.312. 1747.312. 1747.312. Limit there. Please mute yourself if the background is noisy. All right. So you can set your sell limit at 1747.312. All right. Take profit should be around here. Take profit is 1728.1. So my take profit is usually I make it green so that everybody can see that is our take profit. And my stop loss will be here, which is forever red. All right, so you can take a screenshot and we'll wait to see if market respects. So entry is always gold. Entry is always gold. Take profit is green. And stop loss is red. All right. So each of these is entry 1, entry 2, entry 3. Let me just mark it out so that you know where you can take each of these entries. I'm going to make all of them golden. So there you go. So these are the 3 entries where you should wait for gold to come to for a sell limit. So you can set sell limit at each of these ones. Just know that with every pullback, increase your lot size by a little so that when it starts coming down, it clears out the debts you've made or you've created with taking lower entries. All right. So we've done gold. We've done gold. The next one I want us to do is the euro card. The euro card. But let's do the GBP card. I like that GBP. It moves very fast. Let's do the GBP card on Oanda. It has nothing to do with I'm practicing using my volume. I'm practicing using my volume. Oh my God. Okay. All right. So this is the G card on the 4 hour. Right? This is the G card on the 4 hour. Right? So with what I see here, I see an M. I see an M right there. A short formed M. You can hear them. You can hear those kids. They drive me crazy. Let me lock my door. Give me a second. All right. All right. So we see this we see this short formed M, and we already know what we are waiting for. But it's gonna take some time. It might take some time for it to come back. So let me see if we can find let's see if we can drop to a lower time frame to look for a better entry. Wow, G card is something we might have to wait for some time. We might have to wait for some time. Okay, let's leave G card. Let's look for something quick. Let's look for something quick. Let's do Euro card. Let's see what is going on with Euro card. All right. Oh, I already marked it out. Okay, I'm just gonna clear it and we start again. All right. On the 4 hour, which is my best. In fact, I had Coach Oran did an extra lesson telling us the best time frame to trade. I missed that. That was yesterday. I missed it. I don't know, Kenneth, Mr. Kenneth, were you on that training yesterday? Very, very impromptu training.
No, I didn't see it on time.
Me too. I missed it. I just saw it today. So, okay, beautiful. With the Euro card, what do we see? I usually like to go on the daily to see what the trend is saying. Wow, that's a big sell going on. Ooh, this is almost what we saw with the G card as well. Almost what we saw with the G card. Wow, look at that drop. All right, now let's see with what is going on here. This looks like a consolidation that happened here and here, and it broke, came back in. There are so many moves that can happen here as we're looking at it. First of all, this big M we see here, we draw our fib. It hasn't come back yet. It did not come back yet. So this is a place to wait for it. On the other hand, it's what is going on in the market now. Let's see if we can find something. All right, this is another MIC. This is another MIC. Another short formed MIC. There was a break of the neckline, and it looks like this one already activated. Let's see. Wow. Look, you already activated and it is already selling. Wow. It is already what? Selling. Wow. You can see the reaction to the zone. You can see that reaction is pushing down already. Can everybody see that reaction?
Yes.
Wow. So you
Yes,
look at
coach.
yeah, it's already selling. You can see that reaction is resisting already. It got here and it already started moving down. It already started moving down. Wow, this is beautiful. Let's go back to our G card and let's see whether we can catch it, because G card hasn't moved yet. If you notice, GBP card hasn't moved yet, and they both will be moving the same way because they have the card as their what? As their base currency. All right. Okay. Thank God I locked that door. Thank God. All right. So look at that M. If you cannot see it clearly, turn to a line chart. If you cannot see it clearly, turn to a line chart. All right. All right. You can see with the line chart, it is clearer. Right? It is clearer with the line chart. So we've seen that M there. So I can see it. We always draw our fib on the candle chart. We draw our fib on the candle chart. So this was the longest. So this is our, all right, this seems to be, yeah, this seems to be it. Yep. All right. So you determine the neckline first before you determine the second leg. All right. So what are we waiting for? We'll wait for market to come here and take this market down to our TP. So, ooh, sorry about that. So I'm just going to put a line here for entry, which is the golden line for entry. You can take a screenshot. We're waiting for that sell limit. We're going to set a sell limit there. All right. And this is our take profit right here. And take this one. Right. Let me make it green. Right. And then our stop loss right there. Or let's make it red for stop loss. There you go. Wow, it's already 8 o'clock. Am I seeing something? Wow. Wow. All right. So you can take a screenshot, set your sell limit at 1.55333, 1.55. So you, as usual, you have 3 entries. You can enter starting from here, and as it goes up, you take better positions with better lot sizes. Yeah. Right. Is this clear? Does everybody understand what I did? How many of us are still here? Oh, just Uloma and Kenneth.
Mr.
That's
Felix.
yeah. So you can take a screenshot. We've done GBP card. We've done GBP card. Let's even see if we can do one index. Let's do one metal one currency, and one index. Okay. So my favorite seems to be US 30, but Mr. Coach Oran is making me chook eye with NAS. I don't know why. I like US 30. So let's look at US 30. Let's see what it's doing. Whoa, beautiful. Looks like it is bullish. Oh my, guess what, guys? I plotted this out. I plotted this out. I expected that oh wow, look at that. Look at, I don't know whether it hits, but it's fine. Wow. So I suspected that it was gonna drop. Wow. And it did drop to this point, but it's fine. I missed that. Let's see. So looking at the US 30, we can see it is buying out here. Ooh, but then look at that monstrosity. Look at that. Look at this candle, man. It melted. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour. And what do I see? Of course, I see an M. Of course, I see an M. Of course, I see an M starting from here, down, here, down. And what has happened? It broke the neckline. So this is a complete M, right? Now, what do I do? Pick my fib. I don't even like to shout. Yeah, my fib. I don't like to shout at all. Now, this is where we'll be waiting for the next sell, right? This is where we'll be waiting for the next sell. But then, who can see something in common with the DXY? Who is seeing what I'm seeing? Remember what we saw with the DXY? Do you remember what we saw with the DXY? Is anybody still here with me?
I'm here.
Yes.
Do you remember what we saw with the DXY? So we are
I
seeing
think
that 30 is doing opposite.
opposite, the cup is upside down.
Exactly. So, and in fact, it looks like it's moving faster than the DXY. Because look at this. So if this is happening with the US 30, tell me why the DXY will not shoot up too. let's just that's my own opinion. But let's see what happens. All right. So remember, we're also expecting the cup to come back and shoot forward. Now we're expecting this one to come back
And go downwards.
Thank you. So take your profit here, don't be greedy. So we have done what? Euro card. We've done G card. Was it G card or Euro? Yeah, G card, because we saw Euro card had already started moving. So we went and we did G card, we did gold, and now we've done US 30. Do you want us to do a crypto? I usually just don't like crypto.
Coach,
Yes.
you said okay, the US 30 is not okay. Where is the entry? Okay, I've seen.
I'll lighten it for you. So we have 3 entries as usual. Okay. Right. Take profits is right here. Make it green. Stop loss is here, right here. Make it red. There you go. Hey, sorry, I had already made it green before. So I'm just gonna bring it down. All right. So you set a sell limit at these entries, and then we expect it to come down to this place, and expect that if it goes against us to this place, we leave with our stop loss. All right, so let's do one crypto, and it has to be BTC or nothing. I'm just gonna clear this. See why I don't bother with crypto. You see why I don't bother with others are making sense, and crypto is looking like what? Oh my god, it's fine. We'll still kill it. Let's look at the daily. What's going on with crypto on the daily? I prefer even trading cryptos on the daily. Now we can see an M on the daily, right? We can see a beautiful M on the daily. Beautiful one. Right? Right? It already broke the neckline, so it doesn't matter. So this is the neckline it broke. So what we want is always, let me take it off, but this is what we're going to be drawing from here to here. Extend it. So let me just take off this one. Be sure we got it. Let's go. But what are we waiting for? Can you see that everything that has the USD as quote page, we're expecting the same thing? So let's see if market will respect this zone. Let's see if this is the daily. We're going to wait longer for this one to happen, but I mean, with cryptos, I'm not even in a hurry. All right, with cryptos, I'm not in a hurry. All right, let me change them to golden for entries. Golden for entries. All right, then we have green for take profit, and we have red for stop loss. All right, can take a screenshot. Can take a screenshot. Let's see how it goes. Set a sell limit at any of these entries. Let's see how it goes. Now let's bust your bubble. Let me get to something with USD as the what, as the quote page, and let's see what's going on. So I'm just going to use USD JPY. USD JPY. Last one. Let's just use it as an example to see what's going on. USD JPY. Right? USD JPY is going crazy, by the way. USD JPY has gone crazy. We don't know what's going on with that pair. That pair is one crazy pair. Unpredictable. Oh, beautiful. What do we see? What do we see? Oh my God. The market does not lie indeed. Okay. Exactly what we saw with the DXY. True or false?
True.
We saw this with the DXY. But don't take my word for it. Don't take my word for it. Let's look at USD JPY with our normal eye. I see a W here. It didn't give us that entry we were waiting for. didn't give us that entry we were waiting for. The market left us. It ran away real far. It ran away real far. But there was another W here where the neckline was broken as well. So I'm just going to pick it and see. It didn't give it to us. It's running. That's why I told you USDJPY is one weird thing. It's weird. USDJPY is weird. Okay, it formed another W here. Okay, so what are we waiting for? We want it to come back here, retest, and take this market up here. And this will be our... See, this thing is easy. It's very easy. Oh, I see a mighty W here, but let's use this and let's see what happens. All right. Let's see. Let's see this first. All right. This is a mighty W here. Wow. Wow. Let me draw it properly. Can you see this W? Wow. This is a mighty one right there. Wow. Ooh. So let's just draw our... This is a short form W. I just use my fib. I don't even bother looking for all the other ones. Okay, let's extend it. So in the long run, this is a good place to actually wait for it. You guys see what I see? It's a good place to actually wait for it. So first entry. So first entry, second entry for a buy, first entry for a buy, second entry for a buy. Third entry for a buy. Make all of them golden. Golden for entry. All right, and we have a stop loss right there. Red for stop loss. Right, and we have green for take profits. So do you see USDJPY? Do you see USDJPY? So have you taken a screenshot? So we know we have done each of each. We've done 4. We did G card. We did gold. We did BTC. And we did USDJPY. Let's see how this market reacts.
And US 30.
Oh, we did 5. We did US 30. Beautiful. So we did XAU USD. We did US 30. We did BTC USD. We did G card, and we done USD JPY 5. So just set it down, watch the market, and enjoy. I love being a swing trader. Scalping doesn't go too well with me. I'm still going to research more with my other strategy, with my own strategy, and see and get a better TP and SL, and I will communicate with you guys. But definitely this is this is what we expect the markets to do. I will look out for maybe a higher TP, but if you have 30 pips, it's fine. You go for the day. 300 pips, 30 pips, you are good for the day. So, guys, I hope there's no question. If there's any question, anyways, I'm willing to answer you. I hope everybody understood it. It was so easy. Do you see analysis? Nothing to it. Can you see how easy Forex is, guys? Once you have the right educator, the right tools, the right knowledge, then we are good to go. Any questions? Any questions? No
Hello,
question?
Coach.
Yes, I'm with you.
Yes, can I get, since I don't have, where can I get the settings to this fib that specify take profit?
I'll send it right to you. It's the same thing. It's just that there were other parameters. If you look at it here, you can even, for people that will see it on YouTube, if they are good at setting their fibs, they can set it. It's not a problem right there. But I will send it to you, no problems. I'll send it to you, okay? I'll send it to all my mentees. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Uloma, any questions? Uloma.
Yes, coach, none for myself.
Okay, beautiful. So we are ready for the week. Let's go. Let's kill the market today. Thank you, guys. Love you guys so much.
Thank you, coach. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. We appreciate.
Feedback,
Good night.
subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. I really want to get this education out there. So
Okay.
please,
Okay.
you can send people my link. I'm also gonna I forgot to record my overview today, but I'm gonna do another one for the YouTube so I can put up on my link tree. All right, thank you guys. Have a lovely rest of the weekend. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, coach.
Thank you.